is way too far away.
Never fall in love again, but when you talk like this and you look like that,
Yesterday's news in a garbage can, lying on the floor, blowing in the wind. It comes and goes and comes. Yesterday's news, tomorrow no. You know I'm dreaming big things, I'm reaching high now, stretching out, I'm accepting life now. High times come and high times go. What comes tomorrow, you just don't know. Cause I'm a passerby and I'm passing by. God bless your track with so much love, and God bless your travels with so much love, and God bless your travels with so much love.
When I'm trapped and you can't get out, I'll be the light that guides you out of the cloud. 'Cause most days are hard, we gotta find a new way to light up the dark.
Vacation, Jake. James got scared of this. Jake. No!
Start living easy, yeah. Start living easy.
Wait, no.
Go get mom. Okay, come here. Let's take a picture.
Dragon.
Start living easy, yeah. Start living easy. Start living easy.
Just doing minor surgery. It's okay.
Well, we probably wouldn't want to have been out there. Everybody was good.
Tyler just decided to
Fart.
knock his wife out, and it's okay.
Farted.
But she is tough, and she's gonna be okay.
Radio, play my favorite one. It's gonna be a long night, and I don't wanna come undone. Woo. Stay low until I become 20/20 clear eye, somebody that you could love. 'Cause I climbed, put in my time from the beginning, and now I see it all shine from where I'm sitting. These days I'm trying to learn to ease my mind, 20,000 feet up high. Gotta take a leap sometime. times, ain't afraid to fall if I call it skydiving. Let my eyes go wide, looking for the brighter side. Maybe I can't fly, but if I'm gonna fall, I'ma call it skydiving. Some days I'm Superman, I yell it from the top of the roof. Then I wake up like a loner who got nothing to lose. But every bit of beauty came from something broken and bruised. Yeah, I feel a little distant like a man on the moon. Cause everybody.
We have the hair salon going on here. Ivy, what's happening out here?
I'm just in the water and
Isley's helping out so Emily doesn't have to get her face wet. And Ivy's documenting it. Ivy, are you coloring? Ivy, let's see a pretty picture. Ivy. It's a pretty picture. Good job.
Mom, my
Yeah.
hair's touching right now.
I know. Emily needs a sink, like where your head fits. Yeah.
we're hiking.
Where are we,
Rainbow
Ivy?
Bridge.
I know. Where are we? I know. Where are we hiking to? Rainbow Bridge? Yeah. Where are we?
Oh.
I know. What's that? Rainbow Bridge.
Is it pretty, Ivy?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Yay, Rainbow Bridge.
That's the cutest video I have on my phone.
Rainbow Bridge.
Is it pretty, Ivy?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Yay, Rainbow Bridge.
That's the cutest video I have on my
Isaac, keep doing it. Spin.
Nice.
Woohoo.
Oh. It's stuck in the ground. And it never goes away.
This is a nice one.
Yeah. Keep going. Whoa, that was a slippery rock.
Summertime coming, gone so fast. Got a little sunlight on my shoulders, make the magic last. As the days are getting darker for the winter grind. No leaves on the trees, no birds in the sky. Yeah. Cold days got me bundled up and shivering. The sound of silence got me living in the blue again. And every day I'm reminded of my missing friend. All I need is a little bit of sunshine. Come back to me. 'Cause it's been way too long, and I've been cold since you've been gone. Yeah, set me free. Warm days steady flowing through my memory. Big smiles as we're chilling on an empty beach. Island time, yet we're slowing down the energy. Good life, yeah, the right kind of.
Working in this place, I worship you. I worship you. And you are waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. I'm still on the side.
From Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. Well, it's bright in every. And I'm proud to be an American, but at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up.
Or vice versa. We were both
For the
we
4th.
get up there.
Yum, yum,
And all of a
yum.
sudden,
4th of July and Canada Day.
And Canada Day.
we're gonna double win.
Wow. That
Oh, wow, look at it go, Ivy.
Wow.
I think we should come to Lake Powell.